Hey, welcome to Board Game Today. I'm Brett. In my hands is a Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card game, structure deck, Albaz Strike. It has 5 total special tokens that you could use as whatever type of token you need, in addition to the new art made specially for these tokens, which can let you dig further into the stories of Fallen of Albaz, or Albaz. The story continues for Fallen of Albaz, so make sure to keep an eye out for cards in Burst Destiny and Battle of Chaos for additional support. We're going to open up this deck and show off what you get for your Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card games. Of course, I want to thank Konami for hooking us up with this. We got our playing mats. Pretty cool design, if you ask me. And let's actually check out the cards themselves. I am a noob when it comes to this game. I'm going to trust you all to give me the skinny about the deck and the cards. Obviously, slow down, pause it, read the text. I'm just going to go through the cards and let you do that, because I don't think you need me to drone on reading every single small little text for the deck. But hopefully this is a handy, easy way for you all to discover the cards. I'm pretty sure I've also said the structure deck's name like 3 different times in this video. I think it is Albaz Strike. Hopefully I can get this right in the outro. Clearly I think I've screwed it up a few times. Coming up on the end. Some really great art. That's the one thing I really like about this card game, is the art is fantastic. There's some awesome, awesome stuff on it. So these are the tokens. These are pretty cool looking. Alright, and that is that. You can now get the Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card game structure deck Albaz Strike from your local shop. If you don't have a local shop and you want to get yours, we'll have some links underneath this video where you can purchase your own. There'll be affiliate links, so we do get a small percentage of that. By doing that, you'll support our site. Of course, I want to thank Konami for hooking us up with a copy to show off and preview for you all. And thank you all for watching. If you want the latest Yu-Gi-Oh! News, trading card game news, check us out every single day at BoardGameToday.com. We're on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Tumblr, Instagram, all at Board Game Today, keeping it nice and consistent. Until next time, keep flopping those cards and get your game on. Hey, thanks for watching Board Game Today. We always appreciate your views and your support, but there are so many ways for you to support our site. Not only can you do right here on video, but you can go and check us out at boardgametoday.com, where we have more news, reviews, interviews, everything you could ever want. But since you're here, if you could, you can always give us a like, subscribe, or share our videos or watch something else. Is always much appreciated, and get your game on.